and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Government includes excluded constituencies in mining package. Loans restructuring meeting with banks on Saturday. Ramesh Gawas terms this exercise as election package. Villages of Keri Therakol, Kiranpani and Paliye along with NCP MLA Deepak Kesarkar severely oppose a mining jetty at Aronda. Goan Minister Parsikar also supports the cause. Kesarkar to raise the issue in Assembly. Children's Court directs Crime Branch to register case against headmistress and others for destroying evidence in Vasco case. Orders probe in offer of 5 lakh to the victim's father by MPT. BJP slams Congress for playing politics over ST-OBC issues, demands probe of diversion of funds from ST Corporation by the erstwhile government. And benefits of rehabilitation plan for slum dwellers at Bodhidongor after examining them on individual basis, government tells the High Court. Now the news in detail. Government has included Thivi and Shiroda constituency along with Usgaon Panchayat for mining package. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar announced it in a joint meeting of truck owners and BJP MLAs on Monday. Parrikar also declared that some mining areas from Salset, machine and barge workers would also be considered. Government meeting with the banks on restructuring of loans is scheduled on Saturday. Social activist Ramesh Gawas has called this nothing but an election package.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held a meeting with MLAs from mining belt and mine truck owners on Monday at Panji. The package was explained in detail to the stakeholders. Parrikar also informed that panchayats from Shiroda, Usgaon and Thivi would be considered for mining package.
सकाळी प्रिंटिंगाक वयच्या पयलीं हांवें करेक्शन करून भितर उसगांव पंचायत इंफोर्डा तालुका पंचवाडी पंचायत आनी शिरोडा पंचवाडी आनी निरंकाल हे 3 पंचायती शिरोडा हे बॉर्डरीक कारण त्या हातूंय थोडे जाण रावतात आनी थंय वतात कामधंद्याक किंवा ट्रक दवरतात आनी थिवी पूर्ण कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी अशे भितर इन्क्लूड केला.
Chief Minister feels there are less chances that mining will resume in the state by this year. However, he hopes that Supreme Court will have a lenient approach towards allowing government to export ore dumps.
मायनी चालू जावपाक वेळ लागतलो पण डंपाच्या संदर्भात किंवा काडलेली मायन जी आसा त्या संदर्भात बेगीन सोल्युशन मेळटलें अशें सादारण फिलींग येता. आतां हियरिंग जावंक जाय ह्या आठवड्यान केन्ना तरी जातलें अशी अपेक्षा करूया कारण 14 तारखेक हो बोर्ड बदलता पण तो बोर्ड सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जुईज ते बदलले जाल्यार नव्या फुडें जातली पण ती एप्रील एंड पर्यंत जावंक जाय 8 दीस लागतले एकदा हियरिंग सुरू.
Chief Minister has warned the former ministers and MLAs involved in mining scam that they will soon face action and that the process has begun.
दिगंबरापासून तो सुभाष शिरोडकर आहा पळय तो सगळे इन्वॉल्ड आहा तांकां दाखोवंक जाय पळय. हांव इतलेंच सांगता योग्य वेळ आयली की ताणें पळय आयज चॅलेंज बी कितें दिलां पळय तें मागीर पांय धरपाक येवनाका आमकां. 1 वर्स 1 म्हयनो 2 म्हयन्या भितर एक्शन सुरू जातलें. हांव तुका इतलीच गॅरंटी आतां जेंच्यांनी चोरल्या पळय ते कोण सुटचे ना पण हे काही अपभ्रश करता हाजेर वचूं नाकात. 35,000 कोटी रुपया लुटले आसत हांव ना म्हणना पण कोणे लुटले ते कळ्ळ्या शिवाय पैसे वसूल खंयच्यान करूं.
Congress had blamed Chief Minister for sidelining some of the mining areas headed by Congress MLAs in the state. Parrikar has now mentioned that some of the areas from Salset and machine and barge workers will also be considered for special package. Meanwhile, social activists and environmentalists met the governor at Raj Bhavan on Monday. They raised the issue of provoking statements by Chief Minister.
The Home Minister, who is supposed to protect the law and order situation, making provocative statements against all the environmentalists who are fighting against the devastations of the mining lobby. The way the Margaon episode took place, a mob of 500 people comes up, but nobody knows about it, cannot be accepted. It means that there is a total failure of the machinery or the administration of the state government. what is apparent from the statements which CM is making, that CM has got some hidden agenda against all the environmentalists. It is a DACA on the public money. DACA, it is a robbery of the public money. He is giving a package, but it is nothing but it's a kind of a corruption. A package should be given from the money by recovering all this mining from the mining people who has looted. This is a clear-cut provision for all the voters to make happy and to garner votes in the coming parliamentary election.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's a disaster in waiting. Villages of Keri Therakol, Kiranpani and Paliye have strongly opposed a jetty proposed at Aronda just across the Therakol river. Villagers say the jetty is being planned to load iron ore onto barges. Local MLA Deepak Kesarkar has also objected to the jetty, stating that Aronda area is a notified tourist destination. He will raise the issue in Maharashtra Assembly or will approach the court. Mandre MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar has objected to the dredging at Therakol. Mahesh Gadi reports.
Have a look at this. Villagers claim that mining jetty is being set up here to enable loading of iron ore onto barges. Locals claim it will endanger human life on the banks of River Keri and Paliye. It will also damage the Therakol fort and village. Fishermen have also opposed the move, claiming the project will take away their bread and butter.
पंचायत रिजर्वेशन घेतलेले आहा की आम्ही एका अपोज हे करपा हे केला आणि हेंचे अहेच ड्रेजिंग बीन जर चालू उरले आणि केरी तेरखोल थंय जो रेवेचो जो बेल्ट आहा तो जर ते आता हे जर करून जर बोटी भितर हाडपा हे केलो जाल्यार जी आमची टोटल कोस्टल एरिया जी आहा न्हू पावसान बीन सगळ्यांकूच या आणि उदीक बीन भरून सगळे हे जातले
म्हणजे फाल्यां काळ कितें करतले जाणा मरे ते हे सगळे चॅनल करतले मरे आनी पॅक करून उडयतले म्हणजे सगळे फातर बीन फोडटले रे दोगा केरियाकूय धपका इवन तेरखोला धपका आनी पालये आरांबोल सगळ्याक धपको रे मागीर तो आनी आमकां ती जेटी नाका जाल्ली नाका हांगा आनी ड्रेजिंग केल्लें नाका आमकां.
Kiranpani Panch fears that dust pollution will create severe health hazard. He has requested the Goa government to raise the issue with Maharashtra government to save them from the disaster.
जेटी येतले आमकां त्रास म्हणजे पळय ते जे मायनिंग चालू करतले आपूण आनी कितें पळय धूळ आतां जे धूळ प्रदूषण आसा ते सगळे आमच्या घरांनी आमकां लागीं हांगा देगेक पडटा आनी ते आमकां ते सगळ्या घरांनी भरतले लोक खोकलो थंडा सगळे म्हणजे जे रोगराई आसा पळय रोगराई उत्पन्न जावं शकता.
Sawantwadi MLA Deepak Kesarkar wants to raise the issue in the Maharashtra Assembly or else he will file a PIL before the High Court.
Actually Aronda हा tourism साठी हे केलेला नोटिफाय केलेली एरिया आहे आणि शासनाचं जे आहे आपला डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये अरुंदा ही टुरिझम आहे. टुरिझमच्या याच्यामध्ये कुठेही जरी पोल्युशन मेकिंग कुठलीही इंडस्ट्री करायची असेल काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायची असेल तर त्याला हाय पॉवर कमिटी आहे त्याच्या मान्यतेशिवाय काही करता येत नाही. आणि असं असताना ते तिथे जेटी ओरिजिनल नाही आहे म्हणजे जिथं काम करतायत तिथं अरुंदाला एक छोटासा धक्का होता जो ब्रिजच्या डाव्या बाजूला आहे. असं असताना ते उजव्या बाजूला जेटी होती असं दाखवून त्यांनी काम सुरू केलेलं आहे. तर काय मी विधानसभेमध्ये प्रश्न मांडलेला आहे आता तो ऍक्सेप्ट होतो की नाही त्याच्यावर आहे. त्याच्या शासन जर काय नाही केलं तर मग न्यायालयामध्ये जाऊन त्याच्यावर दाद मागायला लागतो.
Well, Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, who represents Paliye, Kiranpani and Keri village, said that he will not allow dredging of Therakol river.
तेरेकोल भाग जो आसा पळय म्हणजे जंय न्हंय ही दर्याक तेकता थंय आमी वावरूंक दिवचे ना तांकां.
ओके ओके
थंय वावरूच्या आदी आमचो क्लियरन्स ताणें घेवंकूच जाय.
ओके
आरोंद्या पावतकीर कदाचित किरणपणी आरोंदा पावतकीर अर्दी अर्दी न्हंय म्हणूं येता किंवा 75% न्हंय तेंची धरूं येता. पूण तेरेकोल जंय पलीकडे आसा केरी तेरेकोल जो भाग आसा त्याच्या मदलो भाग हो ताणें आमकां परमिशना शिवाय जावचेच ना.
Paliye and Keri villages have unanimously passed a resolution in Gram Sabha to oppose the jetty. An unstarred question was also raised on the proposed jetty during recent assembly session by Vijay Sardesai. In reply, Minister of Ports Manohar Parrikar replied that government is not aware about such jetty. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.